The fear of being replaced by machines and the anxiety of becoming obsolete is creeping into every industry. But what if there was a way to turn this fear into an opportunity? In this video, I'll introduce you to two powerful AI tools that not only promise to alleviate these pain points but also empower you to reclaim control over your career. Could these be the game changers for you? You can find the links in the description. Imagine stepping into a store where the salesperson knows your preferences, understands your needs, and guides you directly to the products you'll love. This level of personalized service is what every customer dreams of, and with Go High-Level AI, it becomes a tangible reality in the digital world. When a potential customer lands on your website, Go High-Level AI springs into action. It analyzes their behavior in real time, considering factors such as browsing history, time spent on pages, and even the sequence of clicks. This data-driven approach allows the AI to build a comprehensive profile of the visitor, understanding their interests and preferences with remarkable accuracy. Armed with this information, Go High-Level AI tailors the customer's journey, presenting content and offers that are most relevant to them. For instance, if a visitor shows interest in a particular product category, the AI can highlight related products, offer personalized discounts, or suggest complementary items. This not only enhances the shopping experience but also significantly increases the likelihood of conversion. But the personalization doesn't stop there. Go High-Level AI can also customize communication channels, ensuring that follow-up emails, messages, or notifications are aligned with the customer's preferences. Whether it's a reminder about an abandoned cart or a special offer on a previously viewed item, these personalized touchpoints keep your brand top of mind and encourage repeat visits from your clients. We live in a fast-paced world of social media and content creation. Standing out is crucial, and understanding the nuances of different platforms. Copymatic AI provides compelling content with just a few clicks. If you're new to AI-powered writing tools or want to try something new, this AI is designed to make your content creation process smoother and more efficient for maximum impact. It offers several SEO optimization features. The platform provides tools for keyword optimization, content structure improvement, and meta tag generation to enhance search engine visibility. If you consider the challenge of writing engaging social media posts, you need to stay ahead of your competitors, and with Copymatic AI, you can generate catchy and concise posts tailored to your audience. Whether it's a tweet or an Instagram caption, the AI provides suggestions that capture attention and encourage interaction, making your social media presence more vibrant. For those involved in email marketing, it can be a game changer. It helps you craft personalized and persuasive email content that resonates with your audience. By analyzing your input, the AI suggests subject lines and body text that increase open rates and drive engagement, ensuring your message hits the mark. Lastly, if you're working on a product description, Copymatic AI can assist in highlighting key features and benefits in a compelling way. By focusing on what makes your product unique, the AI helps you create descriptions that not only inform but also persuade potential customers to take action. As we've explored the power of AI in personalizing customer experiences and streamlining content creation, it's clear that these tools are revolutionizing the digital landscape. If you're intrigued by the potential of AI in content creation, I encourage you to explore these tools further. The moment of clarity was like a weight had been lifted off my shoulders, and I was ready to take the leap and explore new opportunities. If you're finding yourself in a similar situation, I encourage you to take a step back and assess your priorities. It could be the catalyst for change and growth. With these AI tools, I was able to automate certain tasks, freeing up more time to focus on what matters most. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your favorite AI tools for content creation. Also, check the links in the description to get free access to the tools. Stay tuned for my next video on advanced content strategies. Thanks for watching.